Coulda ran off the plug, but I kept it real and I showed him love. Lil' bro got the poker touch, where we grow up is so corrupt. Fancy me on a block, go nuts, I'm not in my bag, I'm loading. Back then it was hand to hand, nowadays I don't have no involvement. In the trap I stay on my own, I'm home alone, Macaulay coking. YJ no commented that it's complicated, cause the case still open. The boys in blue tryna find them clues in the station, problem solving.
Production.
Yo Dominik,
Hey Suher,
was geht?
sag mal, hast du Bock auf ein Barbecue?
Oh yeah!
Grill!
Let's go!
Hallo, wir sind Suher und Dominik.
Gemeinsam sind wir Barbecue, der Black Brown Queere Podcast.
Der Podcast, der in Deutschland noch gefehlt hat.
Was uns so einzigartig macht?
Der nicht weiße und dazu queere Blickwinkel auf Themen mit gesellschaftlicher Relevanz.
Klickt jetzt auf das Banner und hört rein.
Damn, this shit exclusive. Ayy, never send a threat on the internet just to prove a point that this and don't get into that. We leaving that to the informants. Don't inform me about who informing, that's your final warning. 76 to sting like a bumblebee, he start transforming. Send your homies on the drip, but they ain't never make it back. Shoot up the scat, we left it flat, he died on the impact. My shooter here, Jim Rat.